Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan Elegance 1.5tsi D7F with 150 horsepower in sleek grey. This automatic 5-door estate/Jeep is packed with premium features like satellite navigation, ambient lighting, and a power boot close. Safety is a top priority with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning. With luxury trim, a sunroof, and privacy glass, this Tiguan combines style with security. Rest assured with a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call now to make this top-of-the-line SUV yours. Don't miss out on the ultimate driving experience.